I understood one thing today after shooting my video. Like I had not taken bath, I had not like prepared myself. Oh, I should look fine. We do not shy from others or the criticism. We shy mostly from ourselves. We don't
Yes,
accept
yes,
the way we are.
yes, yes, yes.
That's
True.
why
That
we
is so true.
take
That is so
time to
true.
shoot, even speak about ourselves.
Okay. Okay. So let's discuss about how can you find your purpose. Okay. Are you guys clear on your purpose? What you should be doing? What you must do? Are you clear on that? Who is clear? Just type in the comment box.
I think most of us are motivated by the things that people around us are doing,
Mhm.
and we like kind of relate with it, and we think this is our purpose. We do not introspect ourselves that much that we can say, no, this is my purpose for life.
Mhm. But yeah, so I'm asking, are you guys clear on your purpose? Have you ever thought of it, or it is in process? What is the state? Have you found it, or you have not found it, or do you have high level clarity, or you don't have the high level clarity? What is the case?
I think nobody has purpose, clarity on his purpose, because we are not asking the right questions. We are searching for answers. That what is my talent? What is my uniqueness? We are searching for it, but we are not asking the right question. We should ask ourselves right question. Like, I am a government servant, and if I remember the kind of energy I had 5 years back, I'm uh, I'm doing nothing with it. I'm not utilizing whatever I had learned till my college time. So because we kind of accept the life of mediocrity, and we just keep on searching things here, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, some channel, some course, but we don't introspect inside to ask ourselves, what is that I love doing, what is that makes me happy. I think only then when we introspect we can find our clarity on our purpose.
Yes, definitely. That is so true, right? That is so true, and nobody is stopping you, right, to introspect, right? You can do introspecting anytime, okay, in evening, morning, anytime, any day, right? At any age, right? So most of the time, your purpose comes from the challenges you have faced. Okay, suppose I have faced challenge in not having the right knowledge. So then I realized that, like me, there are many people who don't have the right knowledge. All of the problems, struggles I went through, that was because of not having the right knowledge or lack of the right knowledge. So then I realized that I must be, do something about it. Even people are doing, but I must be doing something about it, so that with whomever I come into the contact, I can share the right knowledge. Right, in the sense, for me something is right that is working for me, that I can share, right? One way is this: if you have gone through a problem, and then you don't want others to go through the same problem, same challenge, you can make your purpose that I am going to help these kind of the people, and then it will be my life purpose. Another question you can ask, what the end of the my life, or when I die, what should I see, what change I see in the world. You can think about that, right? Even if it is not fulfilled, or even if it is you are not confident right now, but you can think about that. right? You have the imagination, right? You have, everybody, human beings have this power of imagination, and that is very very important, or you can say crucial. Also you can write down if you haven't faced any challenge or problem, and you also are not able to find out what change I see in the when I die. Another question you can ask, right? What do I really love to do? What do I really enjoy doing? Then you can add some numbers onto that. Numbers in the sense that I want to impact 1,000 people, or I want to impact millions of the people. I want to impact billions of the people, right? Right now, maybe five these 3 4 questions you ask. Maybe you can ask, how I'm going to impact, or what is the problem that I want to solve, and how I am going to solve it. And if somebody is facing that challenge, how he is going to utilize that solution that is created by me, and what impact or results, or you can say feelings, this product or this solution will give them, right? But you have to focus on the problem. What problem you want to solve?